Okay, so there's your TV. You're going to take your HDMI cable, which is this thing here, and you're just going to go ahead and plug this into the HDMI port that's open. You can see it right there. HDMI. And plug it in here. It goes like this. There we go. Okay, see, it's plugged in there. And then you're going to take the end of this that's hanging, you know, take the end of this thing and plug it into this one, which is the adapter that goes to the USB-C connector or port. Trying to do this with one hand. Hold on. Goes right in here. Hold on. Okay, so that's connected. And then the end here just goes straight into your computer, which I have a Mac, and it has the USB-C port. You might have an older laptop that has just a regular USB 2.0. And in that case, I think you can get just a direct cable that goes from the HDMI port to this port, the USB 2.0 port, and you wouldn't need this adapter, but because I had a newer computer, I had to buy this and just converts it to this. So anyway, and then there's my mouse. So basically, now I'm going to turn on the TV. Okay, go home. So this is what's on my laptop. So like I'm going to do some online learning with the kids. That's what's on my laptop. I don't want to pass my laptop around like I've been doing. So basically I come up here. And now that that's connected, I'm just going to go, oops, sorry. I'm just going to go here to the HDMI 3. That's the port that I plugged it into. And see there, you can see, now it's showing up. It's the same thing that's on my computer monitor. So now this is just a big giant monitor. And then I just select that. And there it is. And so then when we go to do online learning, all I'm doing is passing this around. I put it on a book and I pass it around, and I hit and I use the mouse, and then the mouse is up there on the screen. Where is it? There it is. And I just go right here, and I just use it just like it's my regular computer. And see, I'm going to hit, select, and then I hit open, make this bigger. And then whatever the game is or the online learning program is, when they have to take turns and pass things back and forth, I'm just basically handing them this. And it's so much better because then I'm not passing my computer around. And that's what I was stressing about. So I hope that's helpful. Okay, take care.